How can you even say that about your own daughter? Your own daughter. So yesterday, Uthembi Nkosi, known as Ubaba Kathando, yes, he is Ubaba Kathando, biologically Ubaba Kathando, honey. He made a statement that they were having a dinner as a family, his family Bakatabete, and he mentioned that Ingani Kathando does not look like Siyacela, honey. He does not look like Siyacela, and alleged to say that the child looked like Dlamuka. Imagine saying that. And people are saying it now, really. How can you say that in a national television, in a public, insulting your own daughter, saying those type of things? Are you not supposed to protect your daughter? Guys, there are kids that looks like their aunties, they look like their uncle. I'm not saying that there are things. Sometimes do kids look like relatives? It happens. It does happen. Not something happen. It does happen. We have seen that. I know people that look like their auntie, you know. I know that. But I'm asking myself, how can you say that on the national TV? Like, how do you even have the energy to say that, guys? Mina, I wonder if do we really need to Thembinkosi in this reality show, because already Utando, she's going through a lot, and you are adding on top of that. It's like you're adding a salt in an open wound. That's what he's doing right now, because we all know that Utando and Siyacela's relationship is the worst thing that you can ever have in your life as a man, as a woman. Like, the relationship, it is not something that you can be proud and say, you know what, I'm married. Every day, whenever they release this reality show, Tando, she will say, I'm leaving. Even today, we're still waiting for her to leave. She's not even leaving. And then now you're adding this on top of the things that she's just already going through. And we all know that last week, Siyacela, you know what, he was having another relation with another girl. That girl claimed to be pregnant. Fortunately, it was not Siyacela's child, so it much better. So Utando, she's already going through a lot. But you are adding this as a father. You're supposed to be supportive and be there for her. But here you are adding the same thing, So anyway, people, a lot of comment section, people are saying a lot of stuff about Tando's father. Some are saying that, you know what, yes, we do understand that the child does not look like a Siyacela, but you have no right to talk about this on a national TV. You did not have to say that. But anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe